Hey, welcome everybody. We're changing some windshield wipers on a 2013 Ford Edge. Very simple. Let me show you how to do it. Check this out. First thing you do, just lift up the windshield wiper arm. Once you lift it up, push that wiper blade down, and you hit that little switch right there. It'll drop down like that. Slide it off. Take the old one out. Just like that. Be right back with the new one. Alright, so when you get ready to put your new wiper on, first thing you got to do is take off the little protective piece of plastic right here. Take that off. Pop this little flipper up right here. And you put your blade on. Hook it up in there like that. Kind of hard to do it with one hand, but once you lock it in, put that back on there. And that's it. And repeat for the other side.